What are we engraving today, you might ask? We're going to engrave this. It's a Zippo lighter. It's windproof lighter. First step is to get rid of all the flammable fluid, if it has any. Oh, it says filled with premium Zippo. So it doesn't have any fluids. So that's great. This is anodized, I believe, so I can just take and burn a logo onto this. Let's see what here I got the Zippo lighter. I measured across this in millimeters. I decided to do a 30 millimeter section. And I have a logo I'm going to do. I'm going to test fire it here on a piece of paper, like I always do, so I can have it lined up. And after that gets done, I'll stick this in there. Since I've never done a lighter before, I'm going to start out at 12% and see how it turns out. May have to increase the power if we do this. And this is set at engraving, sunken. See what happens. A little higher than what I wanted. I know I don't have the fan on. Important to realize that you don't need to have any fluid in this. What's happening? I'm going to turn the fan on. That's just smoking too much. It looks nice so far. How much like it needs to go? It's fine down here. Like toxic fumes, man. And this is set at 200 milliseconds in millimeters per second, so it's not going too fast. I like to keep things a little bit slow. And that's what it looks like at 12%. If you go over another path and it would show the gold color behind it. But I kind of like it the way it is. Looks nice, don't it? Well, there you have it. Laser engraving, the lighter. At 12%, it seems to be doing fine. At least you'll have some type of coating on it, so it won't burn all the way through. Hopefully. You won't have any rust or anything like that over the years. Just sharp. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.